All right, so the owner of the company actually came and did the EV installation, the outlet here. You can see this is a NEMA 1450. It's a 50 amp. I think he did a good job. Okay, everything is metal conduit. It took him quite a bit of time because this morning it was scheduled for the inspections. The inspections of everything passed. He said right now all he's gonna do is just gonna send in the paperwork to Edison, and he said hopefully within 7 to 10 business day, and hopefully Edison will give us the sign for a PTO. So yeah, here's the panel. He ran it up there, and this is unpaid. He said he already activated. He already did the user ID and password. He's just gonna send it to me later on to set it up. Right there. So it's about 30 feet away from the electrical panel. So overall, not bad. I really liked this part, and the installations I'll show you over here. See, I don't know if you can see, but underneath some of the rack or underneath some of the anchor, you can see that the installer didn't really do a good job of grinding it down. And I did bring it up with him, you know, but in the end it did pass inspections, and besides, nobody actually sees it but myself. But oh well. So everything is completed right now. Just waiting for PTO, and we're good to go. And I'm just waiting for my Tesla Cybertruck. Hopefully it will come soon.